हेलो गाइस, मैं शुरू कर चुका अपना मदुरई का जर्नी। अभी शायद मैं थोड़ा लेट हो, इसलिए जल्दी चल रहा हूँ। तो रूम से निकल रहे इसलिए वीडियो नहीं बना पाया। अभी लगभग रेलवे स्टेशन तक पहुँच गया। पल्लावर रेलवे स्टेशन में मैं अपने मदुरई का जर्नी शूट कर रहा हूँ और प्लेटफॉर्म पूरा खाली है। मैं सुबह जल्दी उठ के ये है आपका रेलवे स्टेशन। सामने मैं अपने रूम के इधर आया हूँ। कितना अच्छा नज़ारा है, देखिए। मेरे रूम का सामने ये थोड़ा गांव जैसा जगह है, लेकिन एयरपोर्ट से मदुरई एयरपोर्ट से 8 किलोमीटर तो अंदर में आता है। इधर से एयरपोर्ट आपको 8 किलोमीटर। मुझे यही चाहिए था, एयरपोर्ट का जो नियर बाई जो प्लेस है जो उधर। But a small airport, but very modernized, no? Look. It doesn't look like someone's home. हम लोग चल रहे हैं अभी सीढ़ी, जो कि बहुत ही ऊंचा है। ये देखिए, घुस रहे हैं। और पीछे का भी नजारा देखिए।
देखिए
मेरे साथ है आर्मी का जवान।
बॉर्डर फोर्स,
एयर इंडिया का आर्मी। और ये देखिए नजारा, मछली मीन है ना।
हाँ, मीन इज देयर।
We'll see मीन है,
फिश,
big fish.
two typical rocks is there. Hey, this way, man.
You can see the view. This is super view. I'm witnessing now for you guys. This will be. We cannot able to come here. You can see how dangerous it is. They have done some railing here, but I don't think this will help. I mean, it will help many people to safeguard themselves from any kinds of accident. See, this is the monkeys. Monkeys, I think, doing breakfast, not breakfast, brushing, I think. Yes.
That's why I don't take a biscuit. So that 2 biscuit energy is there.
Now we going to have
That is there.
that will be complimentary for you guys. So I'll not make any excuses. I'll show you the direct mean. You can see here in that rock some god has been drawn by some of our Indian architecture. Now no energy. Nature is making their food. We are going to experience you
See how small monkeys is there.
big food. Sorry, big fish. Have a deep eye on the water. It will come. Ayyo. I thought you might have seen how big it is. We have come to the temple, but door looks closed.
See, the lighting is glittering.
There is some monkeys. Whether they will allow us to pray or not.
See the whole city. If we catching everything or not, I don't know.
There are many culprits with whom we have to save ourselves.
Yeah.
So I thought you must have enjoyed the this video, and I'll ask you guys to share with friends and families, so they also can enjoy this temple or this hill. This is very near to Tripurankundram
Near to Madurai.
and 6 kilometers away from the Madurai airport. You also guys can come and
Come and see from here to airport.
there is no fees has been charged by any types of authorities. We came free of cost,
That is the main thing.
and that is the main thing. Normally if you are going Meenakshi temple and all, they will be charging
Around
in the
300.
if you have 500, then only you can have a look for all the temples.
Otherwise, you will need to stand 4 hours for each god.
So you have to think whether to save money or whether to have a look the nature.
Kasi Vishwanadar,
Kasi Vishwanadar,
Tirukkovil,
Sellum Valley. So there should not be any confusion. What I have told, that is this temple. Whenever you are coming, you also try to going to climb another mountain. We don't know what exactly you are going to see there.
ஆமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தான் இருக்குது மெதுவா போயிடலாம்
You can have a look at this beautiful nature garden, and this sea. Have a look at this rock and all. This is nicely placed. This will not come out till another 20 years.
In lifetime will not come.
And maybe lifetime also. Very nicely kept. Everything.
Every old people coming
All old people is coming.
by a difficult forest area.
This is a very ayyo. I am witnessing one more mountain.
We are seeing one more lake.
Hopefully we are not going to climb the tunnel, because we have very less time with us. This is way to Dargah it is going, so we must be going through this road. So now we are going to climb this mountain. As you can see, this is a view of the mountain. This is a view of risks. We have only this iron rod. We should go, but I'll try to avoid this iron rod until unless I can do without it. This is how we are going. So we can't be here for long because we have to go for
I said
ISET for Madurai airport. We will be
10 o'clock.
leaving this by very soon because we didn't had breakfast yet. After coffee only, we
2 biscuits.
coffee and 2 biscuits. We came here, but I think that was not enough though. We would have carried something else because it takes all your energy. See, we have come all around. We are climbing this. We are giving our 100% to make this climb. It's all update from her timing. We are very tired now. You can see this water all around our face. We'll go. We're taking rest for
5 minutes. 3 minutes.
3 to 5 minutes, and we'll again
Keep on walk.
we'll try to sleep and see the feel this.
No.